And Pennyfo say abode de agya kwa ye nya de kwa. Debi. Ana aboa no ha on say ne bon. Yesi am nigga see ne chama buga ne boafu pa. Kevin Taylor abeka no. Ama NPP third vice chairman wa dwa line ne kokwa pai. Na ne kokwa pai busia wa be send a strong warning to Kevin Taylor. Chama buga kokwa pai. What does say? And the support chama buga. The support no. Akwana wa say D ball no. Wa say ata yesi apaso. Me support chama buga. Me ma nchiri bu no akere wa adwen ama me. Comment section. Aha you Penyah Block Media. Make sure say any demo. Obe like if video no that one subscribe button. So click the notification icon for latest updates. Na be kire wa adwen dey ama me. Comment section. Make sure so ba so no wa share video for so enya bi ahwe. On say na nsem mu. Ana mbro bi ka tro say Kevin Taylor. As we be throw challenge bi. Ama Chama Buga ko kan asem nyina ne say Chama Buga 1 on table of 2 wa bon condemn 3 hey wonimu hwe ni ti twa asebe hwe ni ni nyina estate abra Chama Buga pian TV3 microphone okay o pian microphone to tuni no enu na he Kevin Taylor hi eye no eye Kevin Taylor bufu ene no so kan sem akese efa Chama Buga ho etro challenge man e ma na nsem mu me catch said that challenge that came through you know. Chama Buga accepted the challenge. Everyone was at the call different level. But accepted challenge in a pro max level because can take access with me to myself not that kanya. Obegu or no access be TV station. Do you know about we Chama Buga prove this or no. And you know nkwanya myself nko he. Or my definition of osmosis quality diffusion. Just say or they are still be call next level.
I'm telling you.
Do you remember this term? Osmosis, diffusion, and all that. What is osmosis?
Osmosis, when two solutions of different concentrated are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. The membrane allows water molecules of solvent to pass through the less concentrated solution to the high concentrated. The behavior of water molecules under given condition is known as osmosis.
Hey, Alaji.
You see, look what
Alaji,
for diffusion, when two substances meet, especially two liquid or two gas, are brought to contact with each other, the particles spread gradually between them so that after some time, a uniform mixture of the two substances is obtained. That is diffusion. And this, look,
are you not mixing the terms and
I'm
the words
not mixing.
just to confuse?
I'm not mixing. I'm telling you, I did a Greek science.
Interesting.
I did a Greek science. You see, capillarity, the ability of liquid to rest up in tube. I did a Greek science. Look,
cross-pollination.
All of them. You see, all of them. Look, what I learned from primary to SS, JSS is in my head. Wow. I'm a technical man that have a technical know-how. But people, not English. Look, all my class boys, all those are taught. They like me. Ooh. The way I present myself, the way I teach them, they understand much. Sometimes I teach them, and if a word that they don't understand, I bring it to their own local language and let them understand
and
what
explain
it is. Explain it to them. You see, so it is not the matter of English. It's the matter of the knowledge you have. And English, who even told you that I can speak English? Is it Dogomba that I'm speaking? I'm speaking English. I have told you, is this English that I used to go to school and graduated in Valley View University? It's the same English that I spoke today. That is the same English that I used to go to GIG and did my master's and graduated. 100% graduation.
Now it is Unimac IG.
Unimac IG, yes.
Alaji Masaudu Osman, the third vice chairman of the NPP. I'm grateful you came tonight.
Emma from there, I think I've been telling Kevin. But Chama Buga say, oh, don't say to Abu anymore. Ubedi. It is a Kevin Taylor arbitrary challenge. Next one, no Buga accept challenge, you know. Na Kevin, Adrian, and your money. It's Chama Buga as a baby. No, Chim say, Kevin Taylor, no Chama Buga. Obegu, the online TV station, Obegu no.
Mahmoud Bawumia, Michia, polling station executive, lateral area coordinators, constituency executives, national executive and regional executive afa Ghana nyina. Penyah Ghana for Kevin Taylor, me na me mfa issue enye issue bia because
but a
useless guy. or a useless guy because one. So we are very important person in Ghana here. So Kevin Taylor who said we are nipa titu wo Ghana ha. Tambia no di nasem the boss. But me Kevin Taylor and the fault. Some way working behavior, this ridiculous behavior of Kevin Taylor no and the fault. Fault ne friend papa. O papa Kevin Taylor papa on bobra pa. Sanka Kevin Taylor papa bobra. They said the way me papa Alhaji Masawudu Osman obo brano otimi sorry etimi hu nyansa odimi ko school me far from primary eco JSS eco SS etimi we SS eco training college we training college etimi ko university we university and then me no kanu me wo 3 certificate me first me would diploma in education. I'm a me call degree in education. Me would 2 masters. Me call me masters in agribusiness. As I am masters in DEFCON. Me cut DEFCON. Obia woko GRJ University Accra campus here. Only DEFCON. The area DEFCON. That is development communication. Unim. Me person me catch Kevin Taylor. Unim. Or say some me a bema. Member chure AC. Me member chure AC. And I member chure myself. Now I'm marking myself no. Our radio station and go back jai kwasa some way. Sir. Now me when you me teacher. Won't me mamme somewhere who can then drag me. Na me mbra abonti and I me ko radio station. Na me ko tra is this is myself. A person me mark Kevin Taylor tie. So on him, me try thesis. On him the almost friend thesis on him. Me try thesis. Me project work. Agriculture in West Africa, that was my project work. Me try my lecturers, professors. Omo mark me. Now on only perform way senior high school grad on way. Because of papa ntemi mbo brand fanu ko school kura aya fo our Ghana ha hiani bia papa temi mo ko school won ko kura first degree dia wo bi na kwasia we jimi fo we service the court unim dia ma Kevin Taylor look santa ko we Kevin Taylor ko kamino ntako be funu no. But Kevin Taylor so they say omo friend me Alhaji Buga. Me good Kevin Taylor station no. We are sure. Me catch will say me Alhaji Masawudu mbe good Kevin Taylor. Me what ntaka we. Me no more start idea want me. Me somebody me nya some George. Okay. What did this of Georgia? Chamnason George for Tokorobi, Ekopana Chauno. Kevin Taylor, Nini Twasere. Oh, Kevin Taylor, me. What friend me? Salah and Pue, what friend me said, na me, Mohamed Manim, na Mohamed Kevin Taylor. Why not a near fair? Even though, look at my age. Look at my age. Me yet to say Kevin Taylor no. I say who won son of him. Okay. He baby a me do kura, he baby and that mu jam ni Kevin Taylor, mbe buna kuno. Mbe bu Kevin Taylor kuno. Na wonim Kevin akwawe what can takwa kase pa. Me Kevin Taylor, I will bring him down. I will let Kevin Taylor know that. Enya bibia enya obia no muti omudidi na jam. The one before power me look me power sing Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor one the one before so uncle beside the one before no munchire no sa be we mbe bono. The one before say me challenge wuntanga challenge ba am golle. That's what you saying. Omo say shade bi won shade bi wo awia na da wia da bia ade no da wia na bibia ntɔkye ne. On say adia bi wo nweno na hwe no. Okay. So me Kevin Taylor touch me or touch the entire of his life or touch the family nyina. Look, yamba personality. Obia ne mi Alhaji Masawudu. Omo wo me boko. Boko no omo wo me mu ko school boko. I'm a business head me batachima. Tachima na me ba be establish my business. Me a timber contractor. Me be ye chairman. Me be ye the whole GPRTU secretary. Mina GPRTU's Kenya wo me ho awo Tachima timber market. Tatapra. Okay. Me unkonfo me ya adima with them about 1 million unkonfo. Obia no one day otimi accuse me with stolen 1 Ghana cedi. That is my records. Okay. Me need bad record be Kevin Taylor betimi akasa. But one Tachima me NDC for ya madam for 4 crop bebre esin NPP for our Tachima. Okay. Me do Tachima there me NDC for na china. On friend NDC for members no be so. Why na ya Alhaji Masawudu? But me, Kevin Taylor, I will let Kevin Taylor know that he's useless. Wouldn't him? Nipa, as a Ghana for more won't take Kevin Taylor serious. Because Bra Kase Brano, we are see Kevin Taylor and Bob Rabia. Oh, it's more one outside. Wouldn't him? O Papa sorry, you know. Obia and I can afford their 1 job bibia ko beja koku afu. O Papa ball afu kuro onibi. Enti na Kevin Taylor ntimi go school because o mami so ni history na anu omu kaye o mami o musi sabi o ya cha woni na omu be na papa hunu na our cycle wa o papa hunu because of the way what you know o papa dampe no ennume no enti na Kevin Taylor woni be bia na yiru hunu no ma munyina hunu ne video o da ball so didi time the Kevin Taylor kwasia with the ball as so did no na me shoe papa e what timber market e ya adima o timber market association time the who kwasia we with the ball no na me wo Valley View University na me attending lectures time the kwasia bema with the ball so no na me wo GRJ University of GRJ nami wo attending lectures. So me there is no way Kevin Taylor would to me di wo obetba di wo etutu me obi one unisi can talk we are see where Kevin Taylor sorry and yes cannot on talk ada on unisi can talk ada on unisi ka and worry da on yinisika onim kwan dia omofa so etu school fees onim kwan dia omofa so ema ba chop money because adan our baller so na ni yiri bodani no ebe fa no awari papa bia de wo fa no ti say ashawo o papa fa no mami ashawo ni baller so sa no sana bro ni bodani ba no e fa no ashawo ni o fa no baller so e de no ko abrochiri oko abrochiri dia adjuma no ye dia adjuma na wo ye oko abrochiri no maami no kwasia enye jusu na utafre sesia minu ka no Kevin Taylor kasa o se me yare bia wo me hu Kevin Taylor ye bema ombra Ghana ha na minu no na ko hospital na ye test na we na yare wo no Kevin Taylor wa tafre jusu na yere won sa na yere no oya bodani oko junsu o junsu wiye no da ho no ma Kevin Taylor ba o be tafre na sisa enum junsu no nyina kwase wu tafre o ba si na num junsu ajima ba mu man o ye no se si a throat cancer kwase wo throat cancer entina wow hwe oko interview no o ma join full picture no ma won ne nine ay left one say Atlanta your friend Atlanta kwasia Atlanta man stupid idiot me jori na me yi me hu na wo yi wo hu o mbe hu hwan na ya bema Atlanta ni say we are left Intina we are bad luck. Wunni wu papa, wunni wu mame. Uba Ghana ha, kwasia. Uba Ghana ha, utimi nam Ghana. Me ti Islagon, me fie wa Islagon. Me wo Islagon, kwasia. The band of family betima betina Islagon. Kwasia bema, bet Kevin Taylor. Member one, me slow that. But this is part one. This is part one. Kevin Taylor. Afena grown starting. Ubedu mami tre.
So, but what I say?
Me say Kevin Taylor. And you know. Jomba ama pama chakra se minja Kevin Taylor. Mbeka cha Kevin Taylor mi yazongo ni. Me beka cha. Omo say. Hausa for say. Allah wadarna ka lalace. Omo ka say Allah wadarna ka lalace. Kevin Taylor say. Nyame mpengu na omo say. Uwa uniba. Abeye useless. To say, I can force I don't go see a fata kani. What you say? I don't go see a fata there. I can't. But sir, I call with you. Busha for ofirino. Or didn't go see a cocoa pa. Sir, tafri way everything. I give a bine or your one brand catcher. I give a way. Kwasia, Jimmy for. This is just the beginning. Obetiminka.
Now for TikTok we saw be can say from Mahama FR, IP Honorable His Excellency John Dramani IP man Mahama. Obi abeka ensimbe achire.
Hello fellow Ghanaians, this is for God and country. I'm Pani John Dramani Mahama. Listen to me attentively. Listen to me. I'm Pani who short memory. Who short memory. Or short memory, pa. Now, if I should remember you, words, phrases that you've used in this country on political platforms, you don't say a call man before. Hinted you actually concerning a woman, Penny John Dramani Mahama. Today, you have the guts to stand and tell we Ghanaians, say, Obi. Kakasabi, and obi ka bibi, edin tokwa, ene rukasemba Ghana ha. Se parliament passe law biano, wo, and our own sign executive order biano. Ye betchi Ghana ni bia, sabi, bibinko ya oka. Mampani Mahama kasokanewa. You stood on political platform and told we Ghanaians, say, nobody should try violence with NDC. They cap violence NDC and the most violent political party in the history of Ghana. And now what can na dem butaye and na audition party for the ampa you two abawie ye ekoba say omampani Mahama wadi nkunum abatu ni mu hwe rukasem jimie ene nkwase asem a o party supporters ene omo post ewa ban mu ayeye Emma Sukono mabiti say Malik Bazintali Timi Frese ohia mema san kodin kwase asem na empowerment Pani John Dramani Mahama before and after yante okasa ene wo se de Mahama who short memory na media ye kasa you incompetent but I will say so you are the most incompetent politician in the history of Ghana. Omampani yanti ha say ana sofo azoka ejina kwati asan ko beto Avenue Markins a minority leader, our minority leader of parliament, the parliament of the Republic of Ghana ko beto no and kebeye another by election or the constituency. So now Omampani John Dramani Mahama on kan hwe wo ho. Omampani look Chrome has saying the fact say ya to abama so Ghana Mampani nkyere say wadwuma bie ana unyansa sisi obia o no ayabane aksabi enipa bi epe wasem ne omama adwumu omre atawachi ato ama man ne we Ghana Mampani yeditum. But going forward I want to tell you say John Dramani Mahama won't me na Ghana for won't me fa sabi ontro no short memory now with the journal na Ghana for it will never happen in this country. so far zoka monchinetum some say abronye aka de enka ene owo he akwere court in police station asem so far zoka IGP tete yonu wase wo invitation ade man no se bia enkwase asem ede na moye wo ho galamse ene mahama yese wo mahama dem kwati o galamse site am man ko hwe bi emrante e bon komo abeti odidi e farm of simni se John Dramani mahama wo ene wa makwan ese galamse ni enkoso na e kan sin a enye nwanwa fise beto aba kwakubu ahia na obo nto ama ko galamse site ko ka kire nkwala ne se wo man pan John Dramani mo ba be makwan ama galamse akoso ama na galamse task force ko site ko stop illegal mining nyina no magunu ama na da sori ya excavators bru 20 trillion anadwo ma o man pan John Dramani mahama ona wo defend say those excavators no because of traffic in nyemuvu anadwo clearing agent wasan babiem o man pan clearing agent wasan babiem wa clear na kroma say ye pe obi a on kan kore empa mamu no man ya nu onyam no man sabi enkoso aye wa na no ba ya o chief justice untu ni nya adwuma e dencha untu ni nya adwuma tama alista ene akoga mo kodinse hunu aye chiwom tumu o mampani uyi mu firi mu meboa na yampa mampani mahama look krowi mu wahu sa opasi atina mu se Ghana fo ebetom se Ghana fo atina mu se wo oso e bai Ghana ni bia dia o mampani yesusa na so boa unhu so da ye ma unhu so because there's no way se man kwan ama krowi aye de ope senepa e masui hwe the insecurity a asoro krowi mu the insecurity level a krowi akodru na o minister Muntaka Mubarak entimi nye hwe yekoka na abegina aka kire se obi masa hwe wachi gu ho John Dramani mama wachi gu ho we are telling you this ye de ye ni watem ye be kan okure na akire na okure se ya enwa ye be ma di promo has say una wa short memory for so kasa na refi won san kofa de o kan ye no san be dia dance ya sa tia wan kasa ho president mani president kotobekum ma be ni mampani hwe wake up anya sa what dey see on the pa no if you get fed up with you hit the streets and that's our constitutional right. Say be behind Ghana for we need to demonstrate, and that demonstration to be the biggest demonstration on earth. To take it from me, for God and country.
Today, why do you comment section? I have Penyah Block Media. Accra.